Adding captions to your video is super simple. Just open CapCut and make sure you're logged in. Start by creating a new project. For this demo, I'll import some sample assets and add them to my timeline. I have this voice over audio that will be used to generate the captions. All you have to do is click the text button above, then click Auto Captions. There are some settings that you can play around, but I will leave it and click Generate. If you're using a free account, you can generate one per month. It will now analyze the audio and create the caption. It will create a text layer in our timeline. Once we move the playhead, our caption will show in ordinary plain white text. If you want the caption to have some fancy effects, you can click the Template tab above. From here, you can choose a wide variety of design that you can select. Click once to see the preview directly on your project. Play around as you choose your preferred template. Click the play button to see it in action. You can adjust the size of the text by dragging the corner handles, resize it according to your preference. That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.